The analysis has revealed southern states are way ahead.
Pete, good morning. It has indeed. It shows that we're 48% behind Victoria, 45% behind New South Wales when it comes to big ticket projects across the Sunshine State. It's also been revealed through an analysis through the Parliamentary Budget Office that Queensland would likely have a $12 billion black hole. That was based on the Newman government's projections if they did win government. Of course, they didn't. The Palaszczuk government got in, and over the past 5 years, the spending has been a lot less than these southern states. We do know the Palaszczuk government was very focused on that public sector spend to the tune of $5.5 billion. That's up from 30% on the Newman government's figures. We do know, though, that when Campbell Newman was in power, there were tens of thousands of cuts in the public sector. The Labor government promised to reinstate those jobs to the tune of around 35,000 full-time positions. In terms of moving forward to the state election, Pete, in 5 weeks, we do know that both parties have more or less been hitting the hustings in the past couple of days ahead of the official election start. We know that the government has promised $52 billion in infrastructure spend over the next 4 years if they do stay in government. We know the LNP has been keen to get major projects off the ground as well, including yesterday an announcement that if Deb Frecklington wins the election, the party will commit to upgrading the Bruce Highway from Gympie to Cairns. That will cost $35 billion and 15 years to build. The Palaszczuk government is simply saying, where will that money come from? The LNP says 80% will come from the federal government, 20% from the LNP government. But in terms of this spend, Cameron Dick is saying that the other states are ahead simply because they are into private spending and private equity spending, something Queenslanders simply do not want.